about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Aloha! It's me, Blippi, and look at where I'm at. Today, I'm on Oahu, which is an island of Hawaii. Wow, isn't it beautiful here? Yeah, the trees are so green, there's so much green grass, and the shrubs and trees look so happy. Whoa! Hey, wouldn't it be really cool to see what this beautiful place looks like from really high in the sky? Yeah! Why don't today we ride a helicopter and see what it looks like? And actually, Magnum Helicopters here on Oahu is coming here to give me a ride. Yeah, I'm so excited. Do you hear it? Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is right there. Whoa, whoa, it's so high. Whoa, hey up there. Whoa. Wow, I am so excited. I bet everything is gonna look really small from up there. Whoa. Oh, it's landing. Oh, all right. Wow, I'm so excited. All right, now that the rotors are stopped, why don't we go say hi? Whoa, that was really cool. Hey, who are you?
Hi, my name is Doug. I'm the chief pilot of Magnum Helicopters.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. Wow, this is a very cool helicopter. Whoa, how long have you been flying helicopters for?
I've been flying for 20 years.
Wow, 20 years? That's a very long time. Do you know how many hours you have flying helicopters?
I have over 5,000 hours.
Whoa! Now that is a lot of hours. Whoa, do you mind if I take a closer look at your helicopter?
Not at all.
Wow, come on. Whoa, what a colorful helicopter. It's the color orange, ooh, and yellow, ooh, and brown. Whoa, hey Doug, what's this thing for?
That's just a step so the passengers can climb up into the helicopter.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, and it looks like there's some seats back here. Ooh, and some seats up here. Whoa, how many people can fly in this helicopter?
The pilot can bring 4 people with him if he wants.
Wow, cool. And what kind of helicopter is this?
This is an MD-500.
Wow, MD-500. Whoa, and up there, I know what those are. Those are the rotors, right?
That's right.
Wow, and what does this rotor do?
So the rotor, it spins around like a big fan and it blows the air down, creates lift, then lifts the helicopter up off the ground.
Whoa, cool. So this main rotor creates lift, so then the helicopter can fly. And there's another rotor back here that I know. Can we check it out?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Yeah, and this rotor is called the tail rotor. Whoa, cool. And what does this do, Doug?
This can spin the helicopter left and right so it can face any direction that we want it to.
All right, so the main rotor creates the lift, and then this rotor, yeah, makes the helicopter turn. Really cool. Oh, and I know what that is. That's the boom, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, and is this the number and letters of this exact helicopter?
Yes, sir. They call it the tail number.
Tail number. And I have a fun thing for us to do. Do you mind saying this with me at the same time?
All right.
All right, let's do it. N357MH. Whoa, awesome. Whoa, what's this, Doug?
Oh, this is the engine back here. You want to see?
Right. Yeah, I'd love to. All right, this is gonna be so cool seeing the engine of a helicopter. Whoa, come check it out. Whoa, I'm gonna be very careful because it might still be hot. Whoa, it looks very complicated. Whoa, and back here, look how dirty it looks. This must be the exhaust. Whoa, thank you so much for letting us check out the engine of that helicopter. Whoa, can we check out the front?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Come on this way.
Wait a second, I know what these are. These are landing skids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, why are they so unique looking compared to an airplane? They have wheels and tires, right?
Right, an airplane has wheels because it has to land moving forward on a runway and has to slow down. But a helicopter can slow down before it lands on the ground and actually go straight down.
Wow, cool. So helicopters can go many, many places because they can land and take off completely vertical like that. Oh, cool. Whoa, and this is where you sit?
Yes, it is.
On this side?
Mm-hmm, that's the pilot seat right there.
Oh, cool. Ooh, and what's this called?
This is called the collective.
Oh, collective. I remember that. That's what controls the vertical lift, right?
Right, makes the helicopter go up and down.
Whoa, cool. And this is the cyclic?
Yes,
And what do you use that for?
that can steer the helicopter.
Whoa, cool. And look at all those gauges. What are all those gauges for?
Oh, we have gauges to keep an eye on the engine, also how high we fly and how fast we're flying.
Wow, they look very complicated. You must be very smart. Wow, and there's different types of helicopters, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like firefighting helicopters, like,
Rescue helicopters.
or police helicopters. And what do you say this is?
This is an air tour helicopter.
Ooh, an air tour. Well, perfect. I was actually thinking I could go for a ride around here. Whoa, and this would be a great helicopter for it. Because do you see the doors? No, you don't, because there's no doors. Do you mind if we go for a spin?
That'd be great.
All right, where should I sit?
I'll come around here, hop in the front seat with me.
All right, cool. Whoa, so just climb on in?
Sure, climb on up.
All right. Cool. Whoa, it's so high up here. Wow, so cozy. How do I get started?
Well, let's put your seatbelt on. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Okay, just like in a car, gotta buckle up. All right, now what?
Now take that orange headset right there, put that on so we can talk to each other.
Oh, cool. Yeah, orange is one of my 2 favorite colors. All right. Hello. So are you gonna wear one too?
Yes, I will.
All right, let's do this. I'm so excited. Whoa. Whoa, here we go. Wow, it feels so cool to be flying. Whoa, look at those trees to the left. Wow, they're so green. Whoa, check this out. That is a big mountain. Do you see how steep it is? Wow, it goes straight up and down. Whoa, let's head to the ocean. Whoa, check it out. That looks like a small town next to the ocean. Wow, wouldn't it be nice to live there? Whoa, and look over there. There's that big mountain we saw from the ground. Wow, it is so cool how there's trees at the very tippy top of it. Wow, now that is some blue water. Wow, Doug, you are such a great pilot. You brought me all the way out to the ocean. Wow, isn't the ocean so vast? I bet there's a lot of sea creatures that live out here. Wow, look at the top of the mountain. Do you see that town down there? Wow, I bet they have some pretty views. Not like views like these though. It's like we're a bird. Caw-caw. This is so beautiful. Now that is a deep valley. Whoa, and the beaches stretch for so long. Whoa, you can't even see rocks on these mountains. They're totally covered by trees and bushes and grass. I bet there's some animals that live in here. Whoa, check out that waterfall. It is so tall. Wow, it looks like the water starts from the top and falls all the way down to the bottom. Wow, cool. This is so beautiful. It's like I'm a bird just flying anywhere and everywhere I want to go. Well, wherever, Doug, you want to take me. Whoa, the sun is coming out. This is so beautiful. Wow, I bet we could get a suntan today. Hey, Doug, thank you so much for flying so safe. This is so much fun. Whoa, look at this. I can see beach, I can see farmland, I can see mountains. Wow, Oahu is such a special place and so beautiful. Whoa, do you see that? Yeah, it looks like something's in the water. Oh, I know what that is. That's coral. Yeah, they're actually living organisms, and they look so cool from the air. Whoa, look at all these instruments and gauges. They are very hard to read, but they tell the pilot very important information. Wow, look at Doug use that cyclic so then we can fly real safe. Whoa, what are these things? They're circles. But wait a second, what is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is a sandbar. Yeah, that's just sand underneath the water, but just a little bit underneath the water. Whoa, check this out. This is the University of Hawaii's island. This is where they study a lot of cool things, like marine life, creatures, and plants. It's really cool. Oh, there's the patch of ground that we took off from. Oh, I bet Doug is gonna land right here. Whoa! This was so much fun! Wow, and now we're back safe on the ground. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for the ride, Doug.
You're welcome, Blippi.
All right, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Oh, let's get out of here. He has another tour to go on. Whoa! That was so much fun, wasn't it? I know. Wow, we got to see a lot of cool things. We got to see that waterfall. Whoa, that water looks so fresh. Oh, and all that coral? Yeah, at the beach? Wow, I sure do love Hawaii. Wow, what a beautiful place. See it spinning up? Wow! And weren't those mountains really tall? They're way taller when you're up in the high sky, huh? Whoa! They're spinning so fast! I hope the next tour, they have a great time. Whoa! I sure do love Hawaii, and I loved learning how helicopters work with you. Whoa! Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. Aloha.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that was really fun riding a bike with you. Whew, I was riding really fast because I was so excited to see you today. But you know, sometimes I ride really slow when I'm really tired. Whew. Hey, can you think of any animals or things that go really fast? I like that. I think I can think of some too. Come on. Whoa! You could be really fast like a rocket ship. Or like a horse. Ooh. That was pretty silly being a horse. Can you think of anything that goes really slow? Ooh, okay, let's keep thinking. Whoa. You know what goes really slow? A Ferris wheel. Ooh. And a snail. How do you know if something moves really fast or really slow? Whoa. Oh, I know. You time it. Yeah, you use a clock to see how long it takes for something to happen. And I know the perfect place for you and I to figure out how things go really fast and really slow. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's go. I'll see you there. I'll race ya. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, and look at that. It's a really big ropes course. Yeah. Well, I'm so excited because today at Nona Adventure Park in Orlando, Florida, you and I get to go to the very top. Yeah. This is gonna be so much fun. Come on. Before before we start the ropes course, I think it's a really good idea to learn about all the right equipment to use and to get in a little practice. This right here, this is the harness. And it's really important to put the harness on. So if you're doing the ropes course and you fall off, the harness will get you. Woo! That'll be fun. Okay, so we'll put this harness on, kind of like a belt. Put in our left leg, woo, and then our right leg, and do the harness dance. Yeah, good job. And now, you just tighten the harness like this, just like a belt. Now, the next part of safety equipment we don't want to forget about are the clips. The clips are gonna help us clip onto the ropes. Yeah, so we'll take this loop, and we'll put it through the clips. Yeah, and now we're all ready to start practicing. Hey, I think it's time to go on the ropes course. Yeah. Whoa, that's pretty high up. Maybe it's a better idea to start off with something a little lower to the ground first, and then we'll do that next. Come on. Whoa, look at this place. This is awesome. Yeah, look at all these cool stools and ropes. Yeah, they're all different colors. Do you know what colors all these ropes are? Yeah, this is the color red. We have the color black. Ooh, and this one's one of my favorite, the color blue. Yeah. Whoa, all of these different obstacles that I'm gonna have to walk on look a little bit wobbly. Whoa, whoa. That's okay. You and I can use all of our balance to stay nice and upright so we won't fall. Okay, we're all ready to go on the ropes course. Yeah! Whoa, look at this. This one has a bunch of fossils for feet, for little steps to step on. Boing, woo, wee, woo. Whoa, this one's really bouncy. Let's keep going, come on. Whoa, this ropes course is so much fun. Hey, I think we've done such a good job that we can try the one all the way at the top. Let's go. This is gonna be so much fun. Wow, that was really tiring, but I'm excited for another one. Oh, hey, look, it's my really good friend. Hey, Jake.
Hey, Blippi.
Did you know that Jake is a pro athlete? Yeah. He's really good at all kinds of sports and really cool things like ropes courses. Yeah. So is it really hard being a pro athlete?
It is, but it's a lot of fun.
That's cool. I bet you have to eat a lot of really healthy, yummy vegetables.
Vegetables are important. One of my favorite foods is Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Ooh. One of my favorite foods is broccoli. Yeah. Hey, do you have a favorite food that you like to eat? Yeah, that's a pretty yummy food. Well, this has been really fun doing this first ropes course, but I think I'm ready to try the one way up there. Whoa!
That sounds like a good idea. I got a timer, we can time it if you want.
Yeah, that's a great idea. How about Jake and I time doing the ropes course and see who wins? It'll be a Blippi competition. Yeah! Okay, so who should go first?
Why don't you go for it?
Okay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go first while Jake times me, and then he'll go next. Come on! did it. That was so much fun.
That was really fast. That was awesome.
Whoa, it was really tricky up there, clipping into all the different parts, and it took a lot of balance. It was so much fun, I almost made a full circle. Well, actually, this ropes course is not a circle because it has 6 sides. Hey, do you know what a 6-sided shape is called? Yeah, that's right. It's called a hexagon. Woo! Well, that was really fun, but Jake, I think it's your time to go up to the top.
All right, here's the timer.
Okay, I got the timer. On your mark, get set, and go! I can't wait to see how fast Jake can do the ropes course. Jake, that was so fast. You're really fast, and it must be because you're a pro athlete and practice a lot. Great job. You're the winner. Yeah. Bye, Jake.
See you, Blippi.
Woo. Hey. I have a really good idea. How about you and I race? Okay, get the time on the clock started. Let's race. Hey, I'm over here. Hello. Over here. Woo. I'm up here. Hello. Looks like you found me. Okay, here we go. Down the slide. Woo. Uh-oh, looks like you beat me. That was really fun. Good job racing with me. Whoa, look over here. Hey, do you see what it says? Curiosity Corner. It looks like it's time for the Curiosity Corner. Yeah, I'm so excited because these are so much fun. I can't wait to find out what we're going to build together. Oh, look at the clock. Hey, I bet you and I get to build a clock today. Yeah, let's get started. Come on. Whoa, look, we're here at the Curiosity Corner. And it looks like we're gonna make an awesome clock. Okay, well first, what do we need to make a clock? Oh, I know, a circle. Whoa, it looks like this paper plate is gonna be a great circle. Okay, and we're gonna need a pen because clocks have numbers. Yeah, 12 numbers. So first, we wanna put the numbers down. And a good way to write down the numbers so they're all in the right space is to start at the top. The top of a clock has the number 12. The bottom of the clock has the number 6. And then to the right of the clock, we have the number 3. And to the left of the clock, we have the number 9. Well, there's a couple more numbers on a clock, so I'm gonna fill in the rest. Whoa, look! We have all the numbers of the clock. Yeah. But I think our clock is still missing some things. We have the numbers, but what points to the numbers? Oh yeah, hands. Hands. A clock has 2 hands, and we have some really cool paper here. My favorite colors, orange and blue. And all you need to do is cut out little arrows. Okay, we take our little arrows, we're gonna put them on the clock, then we just pin them in. Now that we've finished our clock, let's see if we can tell some time. Well, we have our big hand and our little hand. What does 3 o'clock look like? Yeah, just like that. The little hand is on the 3. What does 6 o'clock look like? The little hand, we move that again, and it's on the 6. I wonder what 9 o'clock looks like. Whoa, yeah, that's right. That's what 9 o'clock looks like. The little hand is on the 9, big hand is on the 12. That was so much fun telling time with you. Yay! Hello! Whoa! These circles are the same shape as a clock, and that gave me a really good idea. Come on. Whoa! I think you and I should do a really fun dance. Just like a clock. We'll use the tick-tock of the clock for a really cool beat, and the hands of a clock, woo, for some sweet dance moves. Yeah! Okay, step 1, we're gonna make our hands like this. 3 o'clock, we'll move them to 6 o'clock, then back to 3 o'clock, and then to 9 o'clock. Woo! And step number 2 is have lots of fun and be really silly. I'm so excited to dance together. Let's go!
Come on down and do the tick-tock rock. Use your hands and dance around the clock. Come on down and do the tick-tock rock. Use your hands and dance around the clock. Hey! What time is it? 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, midnight, cuckoo, midnight, cuckoo, midnight, cuckoo! Double time! Tickety-tickety-tock, moving around the clock. Tickety-tickety-tock, doing the tick-tock rock. Tickety-tickety-tock, moving around the clock. Tickety-tickety-tock, doing the tick-tock rock.
Yeah! I had so much fun with you today. We learned about all kinds of things, like going slow means it will take a really long time, and going fast won't take much time at all. It was also really fun learning about time and clocks, and that clocks have 2 hands and 12 numbers. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you real soon. I'm gonna go play in the ball pit. Woo! 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 Bye-bye!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what's behind me. Whoa, this is a snowmobile, and this snowmobile belongs to my friends, Magnus and Hans. And today, you and I are gonna learn about snowmobiles. Yeah! forgot to ask you. What colors do you see on the snowmobile? Yeah, I see the color red, black, white, and hey, look down here. There's some silver. Hey, come back here. Wow, look at this tree. What color is this tree? Looks like I see green and brown and what else? Yeah, the snow is white. Let's go. I love playing in the snow, but it's so cold. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! This snowmobile is so powerful! Do you know how the snowmobile gets all of its power? Yeah! The engine! Whoa! Check that out! Looks like we have, oh, this looks like maybe the engine oil. Whoa! That's what helps cool the engine. Let's see. Ooh, looks like the flywheel, some gears. Oh! And look at this. This is a front shock. Yeah, this is part of the suspension of the snowmobile. Whoa! And look down here. This snowmobile has 2 skis. One right here and one over there. Whoa, that is what's on the front to help steer the snowmobile. Come on to the other side. Whoa, the other engine compartment. Whoa, looks like we have the exhaust in there. You definitely don't want to touch that. That is really hot. Oh, and we have the intake, and we have the engine way down in there. Whoa, this engine is so compact with so much power, all in the front of the snowmobile. Come to the back, check this out. Wow, this is the track of the snowmobile. You see these big things poking up? Wow. That helps it grip into the snow so it doesn't slip and slide. Yeah, that's kind of like the tread on a wheel and tire. But this snowmobile does not have a wheel or a tire. Oh, come check this out. All right, this is the dash of the snowmobile right here. This is where it tells you how fast you're going, your engine temperature. Oh, and look at right here. Yeah, the key. Yeah, you know what that does. When you have that in, then you turn it, and that is how you start the snowmobile. But it's not like a car where you just start it with a key. You have to pull this. Check this out. Yeah! Here, come here! So for safety, we have the brake, and not for safety, we have the throttle. Here we go!
been so much fun riding this snowmobile. Oh, geez, I sure do love the seasons, don't you? Yeah, it's so cool how you can do fun things during the spring and the summer and the fall and the winter. Yeah, let's go. Whoa! Check it out! Look at what we found! Yeah, we found a river! Whoa! This has been so much fun exploring with the snowmobiles and finding this river. Hey, do you know what animals live in this river? Yeah, probably some fish! Whoa! I definitely don't want to be a fish right now and swim in that water. That water looks so cold! Woohoo! Whoa! Check out this yellow vehicle! Whoa! Do you see something unique about it? Yeah, check this out. Just like how the snowmobile has tracks, yeah, it doesn't have wheels and tires. Yeah, the Jeep also has tracks. It doesn't have wheels and tires as well, just like the snowmobile. So much fun snowmobiling at Leavenworth Snowmobile Tours at the Mountain Springs Lodge in Plain, Washington. Woo-hoo-hoo! Do you like snowmobiling? Yeah, I do too. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. Bye-bye!